channel. My today's recipe is one of the most ordered chicken items on a restaurant menu, and that is chicken tikka masala. I will show you how you can really easily make a chicken tikka masala in your home kitchen. So please watch the video till the end and you can enjoy a delicious restaurant style chicken tikka masala at home. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First, I'm going to marinate the chicken. Here I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. You can use bone chicken as well. So I'm going to marinate this with a few ingredients. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I have whisked the yogurt well and drained the water out. Half a tablespoon of ginger paste and half a tablespoon of garlic paste. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper powder. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can adjust based on your spice level, and some salt. And now we will mix the chicken well with all of these ingredients and keep it aside for 30 minutes to an hour. First, I'm going to fry the chicken. For that, here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil, and we will also add 1 tablespoon of butter, and wait for the oil and the butter to heat up. The butter has melted and the oil is now hot. Now we will gradually add the marinated chicken pieces and we will fry the chicken for about 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure that you flip the chicken on all sides so all the sides get evenly fried. I've fried the chicken for about 6 minutes and you can see there is a nice sear on the chicken pieces, and I've flipped them over also a few times in between. Now the chicken is fried properly. We are going to set the chicken aside and similarly fry the rest of the chicken pieces. In the same pan and some leftover oil, I'm going to add another 3 tablespoons of oil, and first heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now I will add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds until the cumin seeds start spluttering. The cumin seeds are now spluttering. Now I will add 1 medium onion, 150 grams finely chopped, and we will fry the onions till they caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized and turned light brown. Now I will add half a tablespoon of ginger paste and half a tablespoon of garlic paste. And now I will fry the ginger garlic for about 3 to 4 minutes at a medium-low flame till we no longer get the raw smell of the ginger garlic. Now I will add tomato paste that I have made from 2 small tomatoes, about 200 grams. I'm adding that. I'll also add a few powdered spices, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And now we will mix all of this really well and continue to fry the masala till the moisture dries up and you can see the oil separating out. Take somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes, and we are going to keep the flame as medium. It's been about 6 minutes and the moisture has dried up and you can see the oil is also separating out. Now we will add the fried chicken and now mix the chicken well with the rest of the masala and cook the chicken with the masala for another 3 to 4 minutes at a medium flame. Now I will add 1 cup of warm water. If you want more gravy, then you can add slightly more. And now again mix the chicken well with this. Also I will add some salt as per taste. We also marinated the chicken with some salt, so just keep that in mind when you add salt. And now we will cover this with a lid and let this cook till the chicken becomes completely tender. The chicken is now completely tender. At the end we will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. So gently crush that between your fingers, and we will add that. And now again we will mix everything well and cook this for another 1 to 2 minutes, and we won't cover this with a lid now. Our restaurant style chicken tikka masala is completely ready. This is a really easy recipe, so please do try to make it this way, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so very much for watching my channel.